So it's day 2 and we are in Ho Chi Minh. We left Kochi for some wedding lunch. And it's a long ride and now we are at Saigon Square. So very similar to the other place. Oh, Benta Market. This place is all about stuff and all your imitation stuff again. But sadly they do not allow us to do videoing inside, so we'll just go for a quick shop and we'll see where we head on next. Night market in Vietnam. I think it's like a very Asian thing to have night markets. Like we have one in Thailand. We have one in Singapore, I think. And they sell loads of stuff again. So food in Vietnam is pretty cheap. Like this is like less than $1 Singapore dollar. You can get like a bowl of noodles that, yeah, there's like bowls of noodles here and that drink for like $2.50. So this is probably a place you can retire. Like $500 a month will give you a good life. And look at the faces, also tired. Want to sleep already. 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock, man. Waiting for the bus to go. Will come and pick us back to the hotel. Gotta sleep soon. So tired.
The next morning.
Alrighty. So we are leaving Ho Chi Minh to Dalat. So the last 3 days that we're here, basically I was just filming the wedding for her brother. You can check the video up here somewhere. I'll put it in. It's pretty interesting. Like the Vietnamese wedding is a little bit different from the way that we do, and they have a lot of meals. So the last time we were here, we did like the engagement. We had lunch, and then on the wedding day we had wedding lunch, and then we had wedding dinner. So it's pretty interesting and very, very new. So now we're heading off to Dalat.
Two hours later.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dalat.
So we just landed in Dalat, and it's the first time we're in the first like 4 rows. Look at it, and it's so crowded right in the back. Heaps of people heading to Dalat, but it's kind of cool. It's like 26 degrees here. Ho Chi Minh is like 33. So let's wait to get out. And we have reached our hotel, Dragon King 1 Hotel. So we took a private taxi. This guy brought us here. So apparently you can go by the meter, or you could just discuss a price, and we did. I think it was 300,000. 300,000 and half an hour, and then it got us into the middle of Dalat. The hotel here is like 50 bucks a night. Pretty good place. Looks nice. We're gonna check it out now.
I don't usually go out this late at night, to the place where the animals go. But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me.
This is the city center of Dalat. Everyone's looking at me weird because I'm holding a camera. But look at this night market. Oh, is the road closed, or is there a car like walking through as well?
Got some motorcycle walking.
So, like every Asian country, there's lots of street food around. Hey. Look at all the street food.
I don't usually go out this late at night, to the place where the animals go.
So we settled at a steamboat place because one of our relatives told us that people might get food poisoning eating here. So steamboat is the safest here. And they have all kinds of meat. Like what's this? That's the ostrich meat, man. So food here isn't really expensive. Like a steamboat for 3 is like 250,000, which is yeah. But then 250,000 is like $20. $20 Sing. Really cheap food.
But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me, kick it with a hoe.
So we just finished dinner. It was 650,000 for 4 of us. We had steamboat. We had some ostrich meat. I'm not sure if it's ostrich meat, but they say it's ostrich meat. And it's like 40 bucks. And right now we're just walking around the night market, taking a look at things. It's kind of noisy here, but it's so full of life. So before we came here, we got cautioned about eating street food because of bad experiences. Brave candidate
Who
here.
cares? Yogurt is good.
Very brave candidate.